Hello, today we're making our own gummy bears. They are mini gummy bears.
Gummy bears.
And this is your reserve. So,
Mira, mami, te voy a matar.
They're like a real gummy bear. Because
I like gummy bears.
They're squishy? Are they squishy?
let me.
Yes.
Can you do the squishy test? Are they squishy?
Yeah, but they can break.
Are they like slime?
Yes.
Are they
Yeah.
slimy?
And it's too sweet.
Too sweet? Too much?
To gummy
Look,
bear.
we have one there. You want to see how the fishes turn out?
Yeah.
They're in the fridge still.
I'm going to hit the fish.
It's good. It has no flavor. We should have had some flavor. What?
What in the world? The fishes are so gigantic.
Okay.
Okay, how do we get this out of here?
Same.
What a pretty. Yeah, what a pretty.
That is squishy.
Oh. I'm going to put the gelatin with the water.
Now
we mix it in this. Mommy, now we put the color.
not yet. You have to mix it well.
Now, what is that?
Boiling water.
Aquí.
Gonna see?
Hay muchos gummy bears
Careful, it's
aquí.
burning. It's burning. So it's a total of 250 milliliters.
Of water. So,
Have you mixed it well?
all done?
Is it all done?
Yes.
Okay, so what
Now we
colors
put it.
are you picking?
We put it
We're going to
here.
pick this one, and
I want ribbon.
we're going to choose this three.
Pick one. There. Just a drop.
Oh,
Okay,
you
all
put
done.
one.
You can close it now. Okay, this is the yellow. Come on.
Okay. Thank you. That one I could already open. Two.
Yeah, few drops.
One, two.
Okay, cool. And you want to put the other one? Okay, do you want to start putting the water?
Okay. Oh, this
And does
one.
it have a color?
Y no cabe de blue.
Oh,
What color is this?
yellow.
Is it too heavy?
Yes. It's just I don't control myself with things heavy.
Okay.
Whoa, that's sure beautiful. That's a beautiful color.
And yellow. Why?
Wow. I'm going to mix the green. Can I mix the green? I want to.
Oh my god.
4 colors.
Okay.
We have blue, yellow, green, and red.
Blue, yellow, green, and rojo. Red.
Okay, which one do you want to start with?
Can you pour this?
Wait. Red?
I want red.
That's so good.
We're doing red. Okay?
I have one more finita.
Okay, you think you can approach a little bit?
Well, I'm going to choose first this
Yellow. Awesome.
Yummy, yummy gummy bear. No, I'm not gummy bear, Daddy.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button and put us the thumbs up.
Are you
If
ready
you-
for doing some fish? Doing today?
We are doing gummy bears, and I am giant with all the colors of the rainbow. This is blueberry jelly. Okay. I'll give you one.
No rompes, Paula.
Yippee, goodbye. Now, come on, gummy bear. Jelly, jelly.
Mira, comelo.
Oh no, it's so good.
This is too jelly.
It's good?
Yeah, it's so cool. It's so cool. Hey, this one is also baby. Okay, this one is also a baby.
This has no flavor. We should have added some flavor.
Uy, está ahí, está ahí, está ahí, está ahí.
Wepa!
Huepa.
You can eat this one. Marky, you can eat this one. Do you want to eat this one?
Ese no está roto.
That one is blue.
Sí, ya me huepa.
Wow!
Mami, aguanta ese. Loco.
Can you explain me how you do it?
You put your dedito here. Later, you push it up and you take it out. Ah!
Mami, no. Mami, no.
Oh, the broken ones, you eat them?
Mami, yo no puedo.
Is it good? It's better than the other day.
Puedo.
Sweet.
Okay.
Hizo Jackie.
Ah!
Mami, no puedo hacerlo.
This one is not.
Ah, no, no lo rompes, mami. Oh, está roto.
Oh.
Ah, pero no está roto, mami, no está roto.
Mhm.
No está roto.
Okay, let me see our friend what we did.
Mami,
Ooh,
mami,
look
me
at this
haga
one.
con ese.
Gooey, gooey. I
Mami,
am
me
a
haga
gummy
con
bear.
ese.
I am a gummy bear. I am a gummy bear.
Mami, me haga con
Yummy,
ese.
gummy,
Mami, me haga con ese.
Sí.
Mami, me haga con ese. Mommy, we are
Of
going
course.
to
Es gusta, ¿eh?
Good.
It's good.
You want to unfold one? Oh, look at you.
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, let's try with this, with another one. Try this one. This one. Oh.
Are you getting out the gummy there?
Yes, do you want to get yours too? Oh. Maybe I should have put less water.
no. My it's annoying. Yes, 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 yes,